Patay, patapos tambakan ng batikang
was shot in cold blood.
Was gone down in Las Piñas.
Dead on the spot.
The killing of journalist Percy Lapid.
According to the Committee to Protect Journalists Global Impunity Index 2022, the Philippines is the 7th most dangerous country in the world for journalists, and more than 200 journalists have been killed since 1986. One of them was Percy Lapid, host of a radio program called Lapid Fire on DWBL, where he tackled cases of corruption in the government.
Kumakalat ngayon na balita na merong isang top government official.
He was shot dead on his way home on the 3rd of October, 2022. A year after his murder, the real mastermind is still not behind bars. On his first death anniversary, the National Union of Journalists of the Philippines, NUJP, decided to remind the public, including the government, of this by having Percy himself report it. Introducing Reports from the Grave. With the use of AI technology and the permission of Percy Lapid's family, Percy Lapid did a news commentary on his own death on his death anniversary.
Isang taon na pala ang nakaraan, mga kaibigan. Ano na bang nangyari dito? Sabi ng PNP, case solved na raw. Hawak na nila ang gunman. Wala na ang middleman. O tapos, yun na ba yun? Sino ba ang tunay na mastermind? Sino ba ang tunay na dapat managot? Hanggang ilang anibersaryo ng kamatayan ko ang iintayin bago totoong malutas ang kaso?
In a nation where history keeps repeating itself, there is a constant need to remind the public that cases like Percy Lapid's and those of many journalists like him still remain unresolved. Until then, we will continue to release reports from the grave as reminders that though they can kill journalists, they can't silence them.
Magpapaalam muna tayo sa ating mga taga-subaybay.